VRoid Studio version 1.19.0 was just released. This time they added presets for CLCT Gear and CLCT Party. For Gear there are 10 outfit presets and for Party there are 15 outfit presets. They changed the order to show the newest presets on top. For Gear there are 3 whole outfit presets that make up 1 top, 2 dress items, suits, 1 bottom, 3 shoes, 2 socks accessories. For Party, and 1 neck accessory. There are 4 whole outfit presets that make up 4 dresses, 4 shoes, 4 arm accessories and 3 neck accessories. For Gear there are 10 hair presets, 7 overall hair sets, 1 back and 2 extensions. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe or tip.